Hello developers, welcome to Guidance. So today video is on performance analyzer, how it works in Power BI, its benefits and tips for optimization. So let's start with what performance analyzer is. So performance analyzer is, it helps you understand the performance of your Power BI reports. It provides time taken by visuals to load, queries to execute and other processes. This tool is useful for analyze reports and optimize them for better performance. Here you can see a simple sales dashboard using Superstore dataset. When your reports are slowing down, visuals or takes more time to load, then you can use Performance Analyzer tool to improve your performance. The first step is go to the View tab. We are in Home tab. Go to the View tab, and then right side of the ribbon, here you can see the Performance Analyzer. Click on Performance Analyzer, and then first here you can see the Start Recording. Click on Start Recording, and also click on Refresh Visuals. Here you can see how your visuals take time to load in milliseconds. You simply click on refresh visuals on 3 to 4 times. First time, here you can see the result. Slicer in first time 1655, there 712. Another click, refresh visuals. Another click. Yeah, so you can click on 3 to 4 times and refresh visuals. Okay, then you can also replace your visuals with another visual. They take low time to load. So here you can see one card visual take 1000 milliseconds. So you can simply delete this and you can replace this visual. When your data is million, you will face this problem. And so using this tool, you will improve your performance. So what's the benefits of performance analyzer? So here you can see the benefits of performance analyzer. Identify slow queries. By analyzing the data, you can redesign visuals, optimize queries to improve performance, help developers find specific issues related to performance, highlights visuals that take longer to load, ensures a smoother user experience. And tips for optimization are simplify measures and avoid excessive nested calculations, limit the number of visuals on a single page, use star schema, design and ensure proper relationship and column types, use aggregations or summary tables for large datasets, and avoid overuse of filters. So using these tips, you can optimize your performance. So this is the performance analyzers tool works. Thank you guys.